All right, guys, so how do you lose 20 pounds in a month? This process is actually a lot easier than you think. Now, you might think that our bodies like to store fat, and you're right. But just as easily as our bodies store fat, we want to burn that fat or release it as energy. Trick is understanding how we do this. Now, if you've tried intermittent fasting before and haven't had success, you're probably not doing it right. But losing it, you're just losing it in a natural way. Carrying around all that extra weight is not natural. You're sluggish and tired, moody, hormones are all out of whack. So how do we start burning fat today? Simple. One should eat 3 meals within an 8-hour window. I generally don't care when that 8 hours is. Your first meal or break fast meal is the most important meal of the day. In that meal, I want you to have protein, vegetables, and good carbs. No breads or pastas, but all other carbs in my book are good. Your dinner is a lighter meal. Protein and veg. We're gonna put the majority of those carbs in that break fast meal. And in the middle of those 2 meals, I want you to have a snack, generally a fruit. This is as simple as it gets. Don't overcomplicate things. If you're a coffee drinker in the morning, the coffee has to be black. Last tip is drink plenty of water, about 100 ounces a day.